Hi, welcome for the new video. Today I'm painting on the black and white portrait on the Samsung Galaxy Tab3 Lite. I'm using black and white as only colors, and I put a sticker over the camera of the tablet, and I put a primer on the back side of the tablet. Now I'm painting the portrait. First, I'm using the full black. And this one is followed by the dark gray. In total I have one black and three gray and two whites for this portrait. So this now is a darker gray. I'm doing some freehand gray for some parts that are darker. This is now the third stencil with another gray. And finally the last gray. It's just a little bit of gray. And then I'm doing some freehand gray for the face. This is now the cover stencil, and I'm using a little bit of black for the background. So I wanted to be this wanted to be a black and white portrait, so like I said, I'm just using black and white for this. And this are the full highlights and the teeth and the eyes. And then there's the white stencil. Where I'm using like a 50% opacity on this total stencil. And maybe a little bit more on the highlights in the hair. And I'm painting some parts freehand white, and there you have the portrait. Now you can do like some freehand work, but it's finished now. You can subscribe my channel if you like the video, and there are over 700 videos there. So, see you soon. Bye.